Hi all, in this demo we are going to see how to use TestCase importer to create bulk test in Jira. Open Jira application, click on test option and then click TestCase importer. Select a CSV file and then click next. Before moving further, let's have a look on the CSV file created for the demo. There are few rules to follow while creating this file. You can name the fields as you wish since they are going to be mapped in later stage. There are three fields: the test case identifier, summary, and test step are mandatory. We can have all the fields in CSV source file which are available while creating a test in Jira manually. For more details, please look into the document. Let's move to application. Select billing as import to project. Click next. This is the main part. The fields in the CSV needs to be mapped to Jira fields. First one is test case identifier, then summary, theme, priority, description, reporter, step, and last link test. Here you can click use of make use of map field value, as this option will provide the actual value present in the Jira for respective field. Here I have selected priority. Click on next. Here you can see 6 values are present in the Jira for priority. Click on begin import. Let's wait for the system to finish. Yeah. In the project, 2 issues imported successfully. Let's have a look in which story the issues are created. So the issue is created on 5295. Let me open 5. Scroll down. Yeah, here you can see there are 2 test cases generated to this story. Let's have a look on the test case. Here you can see reporter, team as infinity, priority as medium, description of the test case, and as well you can see the test step. This is how bulk tests are created in Jira through test case importer. Thank you.